So this multi-bit screwdriver set has been wonderful for helping me just get tasks accomplished around the house. So I do want to thank the company for sending it to me to review. Now, one thing to note, it is just one screwdriver. It's small, and so you can just keep it in a drawer, keep it pretty handy, and it has quite a few neat features. It does have a compartment on the back of it that you can unscrew. And when you unscrew this compartment, all of your bits are held right here in this compartment. So never having to hunt down bits or losing bits anymore. You can just keep them right here in the screwdriver so you always know where they are. And of course, if you need a longer handle screwdriver or a smaller handle screwdriver, this has you covered as well. It actually has a plate right here that is bouncy. You can actually push and hold it down and extend the handle of the screwdriver, or again, you can push it back down and make it smaller. Now, one thing I did notice when fixing a handle on a drawer in my house, my handle was just hanging off, the screw would come loose and come out, is that these bits seem to be magnetic. It was just holding my screw, which made it very easy for me to get the screw in the hole. Sometimes I know it's very hard fiddling with trying to hold the screw in one hand, the screwdriver in the other hand, and kind of get everything, together and situated. But this did a fabulous job of making it so easy to get that handle screwed back on. And I also had loose doorknobs that were just wobbly, and I was worried about someone just being able to break into my house, but now I don't have to worry because this thing is also small enough to fit in those small spaces under like the door handles and stuff. I was able to tighten that door handle up with no problem. I've literally started trying to fix everything around my house. I'm so grateful. If you're looking for an all-in-one small screwdriver set, I highly recommend this one.